I'm Tanaya Parshurami on behalf of Creative Minds Preschool. I want you 1 minute and I want to ask some questions. I want to ask you some questions. Which dish are you preparing?
Crunchy banana and coconut barfi.
What is the main ingredient for your recipe?
Coconut, pista. This enough.
And what is your good names and your little helper's name?
Ujjwala Vidhate and Srijit Vidhate.
So, how are you feeling right now while preparing this? And have you ever participated in such competitions before? We wish you all the best ahead. Thank you.